Hey guys, and welcome to Creative Living. In this video, I'm going to show you guys 3 super easy but beautiful spring decor ideas. The first one I'm going to show you is this little jump rope. It's in the kids section of Dollar Tree, and so what I've done was I just simply took my scissors and I snipped the rope off like that. And the rope will fall in it, but if it doesn't, you can kind of tuck it down in there. You'll need, you could do this with 2 packs, but I use 3. 2 come in a pack, and I'm going to put 5 in here total. So I'm just going to stick them down in this clear vase that I got at Dollar Tree. And then you see these little holes have the floral going in this. So I'm just going to stick my floral arrangements down in this, and you can do this however you like, but I've seen some of these and I just love them. And I have a Dollar Tree shop with me video that I'm going to be editing here pretty soon and show you guys. So yeah, I took you guys with me to Dollar Tree. There we go. So for the second Dollar Tree DIY decor, I have another clear vase from the Dollar Tree, and I just took a pack of eggs, and these are really shiny. They've got some, I use the pastel colors. Now they have some glitter ones. You see how it's got kind of a real shimmy rainbow color to it? I really love that. I love the pastel colors, and I've been using these vases like crazy. So anyway, I'm just gonna stick my eggs down in there. Alright, and so I'm just going to kind of leave a little room on one side. And I'm just going to get my flower arrangements and stick them in the corner and kind of fluff them out. Just like that. And give you a close-up of it. How cute is that? So that's it. And so far, this makes 2. And I'm going to show you guys my third one. I saved the best for last. Next Dollar Tree DIY decor, I got a hula hoop out of the kids section of Dollar Tree, and what I'm going to do, I already painted it white, and I'm going to take some of these flowers. I'm just going to take them and lay some like that, and maybe, I don't know if I want the white, probably the pink in the background like that. So I've got 3 right there. And I'm going to do the same for this side. The pink flowers were the only ones that I didn't trim. I wrapped the stems around the hula hoop so I could use that as kind of a base to glue the other flowers to. And I just laid the white flowers on top, and I glued the bottom of the stems to the hula hoop and just a couple of parts of like the petals and things to the pink flowers. And I really like the way this looked with the 1 pink flower and 2 white flowers on each side, but I did end up adding another white flower and blue flower on each side. I like the way they both looked. I'm going to snip this off and glue this down, and I'll be back with the next part. I got this. 9 feet. I got this at the Dollar Tree, as well as this ribbon. They're both pretty burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree. Just gonna pull me some off. All right. Really pulling this snug and tight because this is also going to support the stems of our flowers, and it hides everything too. But you want to make sure to pull this really tight, and then I just cut it off and glued it down. So this is all the burlap ribbon I've got left. So I'm going to try to make it work. So I'm just going to come out like this. Make the easiest bow. And all you gotta do is do that. And you just twist the center and boom, you've got a bow. So I'm just going to take it and I'm going to put it right there in the center. If I had more ribbon, I would definitely make a big old pretty bow for this. I think it would be just really lovely to have a big bow right here. But sometimes you gotta work with what you got. So, alright, let's take it and fancy it up just a little bit more. That's it. I'm gonna go. Y'all, this is actually a good door piece or a wall piece or even like a sunroom. Quote is from Tara Lynn. Hers says, "You wouldn't worry so much about what people thought of you if you knew how little they did." Wow, that is really good advice too. Thank you, Tara, for sharing that. If you know of a quote that has inspired you and you want to share it, leave it with us in the comments. All right, y'all, so that's a wrap. I hope that you like some of these ideas. I hope that you like some of these ideas. For spring, I do have a ton of spring ideas. I just cannot wait to show you. But yeah, these are probably the easiest ones so far. So anyway, I'll see you very soon in the next video. Blessings, my friends. I love you so much. Bye.